We believe in life is whatever we have learned from our childhood, our values that have we have got from our parents or our families, and from the surroundings we have made, we have talked so far. So this is how our mindsets develop, and this is how our belief also develop. Because to understand this, you can also see some practical examples of how every person, you can take one person, how every person believes or how every person behaves. If you want to experiment this, you can just take example for some person you know very well. You try to talk to this person, try to know their views, try to follow what they are saying and what they're suggesting to you in various situations. So all of this determines what he has learned from his past life, from his childhood, whatever he has seen throughout his life, or whatever he has seen, observed, or learned, experienced from his life. Of course, that person would give you suggestions or give you instructions according to that. It's that we learn from our surroundings. It's nothing that we create within our mind. Whatever the external sources are the best things, are the external sources are the things that influence our behavior, our quality of life, or our personality. So this is something, this is the base cause of root, this is the base root of people's lifestyle. Sometimes we tend to feel that why people are having so much, why someone is having such kind of life, why someone is having such kind of life. It's their upbringing, it's what they have seen in their family or extended family or their friends. Well, mostly our family creates a influence within our behavior, minds, thinking process, personality. Because this is the best example, this is the first example we get once we are born, once we come in this world. So when you see someone is behaving badly and being so much irritated, you have to understand that these are the traits that he has got from his family, or he has seen someone within the family, or whoever people were very much close to that person. So this is how our mindsets, our behavior patterns develop, this is how our personality grows. Yes, sometimes in rare case also this happens, that maybe a person is growing in family and he feels that his family is too much dominating. So how he is getting that idea that his family is too much dominating? It's because maybe he is working outside and he sees lots of people out there, and he feels that their people are so much have open ideas, open mindsets, and he feels that his family is so much having so much orthodox ideas, and hence he may have that interest to build himself like that whatever he has seen outside of his family. So whatever it could be, it could be any kind of example, the source has to be there somewhere within your family or outside your family. But even if you see that person has some different choices apart from his family, even though he will have few traits that his family has followed, or his family in his family you can find in persons. So something that would has catched his eyes in outside of his family, and hence he is thinking to develop himself to be so much modern or be so much active. So it's a personal interest, personal choice how people act. So now, apart from this, something different also we find. Sometimes we find that few people, maybe it's quite a rare case, it's not that very common, but many times people behave like they are very irritated, or they are very annoyed, or they have some anxiety within themselves. So why this kind of behavior they do? They like talk very rudely, or they behave like they are not liking anything, or they are not happy with anything. So all of these traits, not these are not like born traits. When that person is born, it's not that he was born with this kind of qualities. Or if you search through, if you survey, you will find that maybe his family members are very good in nature, but why this person is behaving such like, it's because of some past trauma, some mental issues, some maybe that person has faced lots of problems in life, lots of mental torture, lots of bad behavior that somebody has created, and maybe some tortures, maybe some very dangerous attitudes, behavior, someone is scared, or someone has treated that person very badly, and hence today that person, with time, he has accepted that the world is so bad and people are going to treat him like that. So he will try to treat back to other persons, because this kind of persons are generally very good, who generally are get very tortured, like tortured members get torture from other persons. So these people, what happened with time, they have this attitude to tolerate such kind of things, as they feel that it could be some better day would definitely come. They have this expectation that some better time would definitely come and this bad time will go. But as this bad time lasts long and longer, so these persons fail to accept those things, and they cannot fight back. And most of the times happens, family members may not cooperate, these persons may not support these persons to get out of that traumatic situations. So hence that trauma affects in their mind. They get into a trauma, they get into a traumatic situation, they have this kind of mental problems that they try to they start to feel and see this world as they have been treated so far. So what happens is, in this way, what happens is they create a hard shell around themselves to protect their that soft emotional behavior. So this way, what happens is, outside people start to think, whoever don't know that person very well, they start to think that this person has a very bad character or bad behavior, this person doesn't know how to behave well, etc., etc. So this also happens. Well, we don't find this on and often, but it happens. I have gone through such kind of traumatic situations, but I was lucky that I don't have so much aggressive behavior, because I think I had this strong personality within myself to understand things and see through things, and not I just don't got soaked with that situation. Instead, I was struggling to fight and get out of that situation, which at last happened. So thank you, friends. Hope this was helpful to you, and hope this was clear to you what our human personality is determined by. So you can write down me on comments whatever you have experienced throughout your life, and I would definitely read your comments. So for today, bye, love you all.